Weaving the eyelets on the Tunisian corset belt. With an odd number of eyelets, like this belt that has 9 eyelets each side, you sew the belt under the fastening. There are 2 separate belts or straps, and you're going to come across to the other side from the first eyelet and work into the second and out of the third eyelet with this side, and then do the same with the other side. Out of the first, into the second, and out of the third. And then you're going to repeat that all the way along. From this side, over to the next 2 eyelets, in and out. From this side, over to the next eyelets, in and out. And all the way until the bottom, and then you'll be able to tie and fasten your straps.